Hey everyone, this is me Sanober Danish. I hope आप सब खैरियत से होंगे. I am back with a new video, actually a new series of customized mobile covers. So इस सीरीज़ में मैं जितने भी मोबाइल कवर्स कस्टमाइज़ करूँगी वो तमाम डिज़ाइंस हर मॉडल में अवेलेबल होंगे. So for this design all you need is a plain silicone mobile cover, acrylic paints, some brushes. That's pretty much it. Let's get started. For order and other details, you can ask me on my Facebook page, or you can also DM me on my Instagram handle. I'm so in love with these shades. Let me know your favorite shades in the comment section below. If you like this design, give it a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. I will be back with another video. तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.